Good morning students, welcome to your maths class. I am teaching here maths for class 8. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is simple interest and compound interest. For this, firstly we should learn what is interest. So interest is the extra money paid by the institutions like banks or post offices on money deposited or kept with them. Means इंटरेस्ट वो एक्स्ट्रा पैसा है जब आप किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन में अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हैं और आपको वो एक्स्ट्रा पैसा जुड़कर जब फाइनल अमाउंट मिलता है तो वो एक्स्ट्रा पैसा जो आपको मिला वही पैसा कहलाता है इंटरेस्ट. तो इससे आपका एक फॉर्मूला निकल कर आता है इंटरेस्ट इक्वल्स फाइनल अमाउंट माइनस ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल. फाइनल अमाउंट इंटरेस्ट जुड़ने के बाद जो आपको पैसा मिलता है वही होता है फाइनल अमाउंट एंड ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल जो पैसा आपने इन्वेस्ट किया है वही पैसा कहलाता है ओरिजिनल प्रिंसिपल. इन शॉर्ट वी कैन राइट इट एज A minus P. In your previous classes you all have learned about simple interest. The formula for simple interest is SI equals P into R into T upon 100, where P is the principal, R is the rate percent per annum and T is the time period. Let's take one example. Here question is, in how much time the simple interest on a certain sum of money at 1/3% per annum will be 2/3 of itself. Here we have to find time. So let P is equal to rupees 100. SI is 2/3 of itself. Therefore SI equals 2/3 into 100. It will be equal to rupees 200 by 3. Now using our time formula in case of SI is T equals 100 into SI upon P into R. 100 into SI is 200 by 3 upon P. P is rupees 100 into rate. Rate is given in mixed fraction. Firstly we will convert it into improper fraction. It will be 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25 by 3. Now when we will solve it we can write it as 100 into 200 by 3 into 1 upon 100 into 3 upon 25. In the denominator it is given rate is given in fraction form. So when we will write it, it will be converted and it will be reciprocal. So 100 and 100 is cancelled, 3 and 3 is cancelled and 25 1 ja and 25 8 ja. The answer is 8 years. Now our next topic is difference between SI and CI. आपने क्लास 7 में SI पढ़ा एंड आप क्लास 8 में CI पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? इन केस ऑफ SI द प्रिंसिपल रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट थ्रू आउट द टाइम पीरियड. मतलब जो प्रिंसिपल मनी वहाँ पे लिया जाता है वो हर साल सेम रहता है. बट इन केस ऑफ CI द प्रिंसिपल इंक्रीजेज एवरी ईयर. प्रिंसिपल हर साल बढ़ जाता है. वो कैसे बढ़ जाता है कि आपने फर्स्ट ईयर में जो प्रिंसिपल लिया उसमें इंटरेस्ट जुड़ने के बाद जो फाइनल अमाउंट आता है वही फाइनल अमाउंट आपका नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए प्रिंसिपल बन जाता है. इसी तरह से प्रोसेस चलता जाता है और आपका प्रिंसिपल इंक्रीज होता जाता है क्योंकि उसमें इंटरेस्ट ऐड होता जाता है. और जैसे ही प्रिंसिपल बढ़ता है तो इंटरेस्ट भी बढ़ता जाता है. सो दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन SI एंड CI. Our next topic is formula for compound interest. For this, firstly we have to calculate amount. Now the formula to calculate amount is A equals P into whole bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n, where P is the principal or sum, A is the amount, R is the rate percent per annum, and n is the number of times the interest is calculated. Now the formula to calculate CI is CI equals A minus P. Using this formula of amount, here we can write it P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n minus P. Now we can take this P common, then we will get P square bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n minus 1, and bracket is closed. So this is the formula you can use to find the CI in any case. Now if interest is calculated annually, the same formula of CI is used. मतलब अगर इंटरेस्ट आपका एनुअली कैलकुलेट हो रहा है, मतलब रेट आपका पर एनम में दिया हुआ है, तो आपका सेम फॉर्मूला जो CI का यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है वही फॉर्मूला यूज़ हो जाता है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, इफ इंटरेस्ट इज कैलकुलेटेड हाफ ईयरली और सेमी एनुअली, इंटरेस्ट अगर आधे आधे साल पे हो रहा है, मीन्स 6 मंथ्स के टाइम पे हो रहा है, और रेट आपका परसेंट पर एनम में दिया हुआ है, तो वहाँ पर टाइम आपका 2 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है, मीन्स 2n, एंड रेट आपका 2 से डिवाइड हो जाता है, मीन्स r अपॉन 2. तब आपका फॉर्मूला बनता है CI इक्वल्स P होल ब्रैकेट 1 प्लस R अपॉन 200 raised to the power 2n minus 1. Third point is if interest is calculated quarterly. Quarterly means साल के आपको 4 पार्ट्स करने हैं, मीन्स 3 मंथ्स का टाइम पीरियड लेना है, और रेट आपका परसेंट पर एनम में है, मीन्स साल में है, तो आपका टाइम 4n हो जाता है, मीन्स टाइम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है, एंड रेट आपका 4 से डिवाइड हो जाता है. तब आपका फॉर्मूला क्या बनता है, CI इक्वल्स P होल ब्रैकेट रेस्ड 1 प्लस R अपॉन 400 रेस्ड टू द पावर 4n minus 1. Now our next topic is for successive years. If the rates of interest are different for successive years, then amount equals P 1 plus R1 upon 100 into 1 plus R2 upon 100 and so on 1 plus Rn upon 100, where R1, R2 Rn are the rates in successive years. Now what is successive years? Successive years means एक के बाद एक जो साल आता जाए उसमें रेट आपके डिफरेंट हों, तब आप ये फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Now let's learn how to use the formulas and calculate CI and amount in any case. First question is calculate CI on rupees 7,000 at 9% per annum for 2 years. So we'll write given P equals rupees 7,000, R equals 9% per annum, and T equals 2 years. We all learned earlier the formula, that is CI equals P whole bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n minus 1. Now substituting these values in this formula, we will write in place of P 7,000 whole bracket 1 plus R. R is 9 upon 100 raised to the power n. N is 2 and minus 1. Now, here according to BODMAS rule, firstly we will solve this bracket, and in this bracket there is one whole number and one fraction. So firstly we will add these two numbers. We will get 7,000 into, when we will add 1 and 9 upon 100, we will get 109 upon 100 raised to the power 2 and minus 1. Now 7,000 into 109 ka square is 11881 upon 100 ka square is 10,000 minus 1. Solving this bracket, we will get 7,000 into 1881 upon 10,000. Now these three zeros will be cancelled and we will get 13167 upon 10. So the final answer will be rupees 1316.70. This is the CI for the principal rupees 7,000 at 9% per annum for 2 years. Our next question is find CI on rupees 1,500 for 9 months at 12% per annum. The interest is compounded quarterly. Means यहाँ पर आपको इंटरेस्ट जो निकालना है वो 3-3 महीने वाले डिफरेंस पे निकालना है. So we'll write given P is equal to rupees 1,500. R, because here interest is compounded quarterly, so rate is divided by 4. So 12 upon 4 equals 3% quarterly. And time n equals, here time is given in months, so we will change it in years and we will multiply it with 4. So 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. Time will be 3 quarter years. Now using our formula, CI equals P 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n minus 1. P is 1,500, 1 plus R. R is 3 upon 100. Whole bracket raised to the power n. N is 3 minus 1. Now 1,500, when we will add 1 and 3 by 100, we will get 103 by 100 raised to the power 3 minus 1. 103 का cube we will write 1500 into 103 का cube is 1092727 upon 100 का cube 1, it is 10 lakh minus 1. When we will solve this, we will get 1500 into 92727 upon 10 lakh. Now 0 and 0 will be cancelled, 0 and 0 will be cancelled. When we will multiply and divide it by 10,000, we will get 1390905 and decimal will be before 4 digits. Now When we'll round off it, we'll get rupees 139 as our answer. Our next question is calculate CI on rupees 4,000 in 2 years if the rate of interest for successive years is 5% and 7% respectively. In this case, firstly we have to use our amount formula and calculate the amount. So A equals P 1 plus R1 upon 100 and 1 plus R2 upon 100. P is 4,000, 1 plus R1 is 5 upon 100 and R2 is 7. So 1 plus 7 upon 100. When we will solve these brackets, we will get 4,000 into 105 upon 100 into 107 upon 100. This 0 and 0 is cancelled, this 0 and 0 is cancelled, this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. 5 2 ja and 5 20 1 ja. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. We will get 42 into 107. When we will multiply, we will get rupees 4494 as our amount. Now we have to calculate CI. So CI equals A minus P. Here A is 4494 minus P. P is rupees 4,000. When we will subtract, we will get rupees 494 as our answer. So this is it. Thank you.